Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Finally, Google has released another 2.5 series model and its name is Gemini 2.5 Flash. Already we had another 2.5 series model which was 2.5 Pro and it also got popular for its coding capability. But now this 2.5 Flash also has some extended features. Here you see that it is based for the large scale processing for the multiple PDFs and it has low latency high volume tasks which require thinking, and also it can be used for the agentic use cases. It has tool call ability and also this reason over complex problems. So in this video we will see that how to use this model for free with this RooCode and Cline extension to generate the code for free. But before that we will do some analysis for the price comparison with the other models. What Google is telling that our Gemini 2.5 models are thinking models and capable of reasoning through their thoughts before responding. Instead of immediately generating an output, the model can perform a thinking process to better understand the prompt and break down complex tasks and a planned response. On complex tasks that require multiple steps of reasoning like solving math problems or analyzing research questions, the thinking process allows the model to arrive at more accurate and comprehensive answer. In fact, Gemini 2.5 Flash performs strongly on hard prompts in LM Arena and second only to 2.5 Pro. So if I show you one example, here you see that one person posted on Twitter, Gemini 2.5 Flash demolishes my Galton board test. I could not get 4O mini and 4O mini high or O3 to produce this. So that means he is telling that he was making this Galton board test with this O3 and also this O4 mini and O4 mini high, but he was not able to do that. But he found that Gemini 2.5 Flash understand my intents almost instantly. Code produce is tight and neat. It took me 5 steps to achieve this in Gemini 2.5 Flash. I gave up on OpenAI models after about half an hour. So he tried with these OpenAI models for the half an hour, but he did not get the expected result. But after that, with these 5 steps, he achieves this Galton board test with Gemini 2.5 Flash. So that means we can understand that this Gemini 2.5 Flash has an extended capability than the OpenAI existing popular models also. Now if I show you this LM Arena leaderboard, here you see that this is the LM Arena leaderboard for this web development, and they have made this leaderboard based on this task like HTML, CSS and JavaScript which is required for the web development purpose. And if you see the list, this Gemini 2.5 Flash is here, and below this Gemini 2.5 Flash we have this O3 mini high and this here you see that O3 mini. So if I use the marker, then you will understand. Here you see that this is the 2.5 Flash and O3 mini high is here and O3 mini is here. But the interesting thing is that this O3 mini high and O3 mini have high range of price for the input and output for 1 million token. But this Gemini 2.5 Flash has a less price for the input and output token. Now here one thing you have to remember that this Gemini 2.5 Flash is completely free, and the limit is, here you see that for the free user the limit is 10 requests per minute and 500 requests per day, which is enough I think. And also if you see that the price comparison between the OpenAI other models, here you see that Gemini 2.5 Flash is here, okay, the first one, and for the 1 million tokens input price is $0.15 and the output price is $0.60 for the no reasoning. But if you see this OpenAI O4 mini, its price is almost huge. Like input price is $1, but this 2.5 Flash the input price was 0.15 and for this OpenAI the price is $1. but this 2.5 Flash has a better capability than the OpenAI O3 and O4 mini models. So why will I go for this OpenAI models? I think I should go for this Gemini 2.5 Flash because here price is also less and also they have some free limits, right? So that's why we will try this Gemini 2.5 Flash. Now if you go to this Google AI Studio, ai studio.google, then you will find this type of interface, and on the right hand side you can choose this Flash preview model, and after that here you can use it for your coding purpose or normal chat purpose. Now if you want to use this with the VS Code, in that case we will install these two extensions. One is Cline, another one is RooCode. Now sometimes many people gets confused that whether we should use the Cline or the RooCode. Now for that I will make a dedicated video what is the difference between this Cline and RooCode, what advantage is there. So for that you please subscribe our channel to get the latest video. Now after installing these two extension Cline and RooCode, open any one of these. Like I am opening this RooCode. For both of these the configuration is same. First open this RooCode and go to the settings, and here as a API provider select the Google Gemini. Yes, we will use the official Google Gemini, and after that here provide the Gemini API key. So how will you get the Gemini API key? For that again go to this Google AI Studio and here click on this get API key, and you will find this interface, and on the right hand side you will find this create API key, and after that here from this drop down select any of these like Gemini API key and click on this create API key in existing project, and after that you will get your API key. Now copy that. I have already created my own API key. Copy that and paste here, and after that select this model Gemini 2.5 Flash preview, and also there is another model 2.5 Flash preview thinking. Remember one thing, if you use the thinking, then in that case your limit will get reached soon, but if you use this without thinking model, then you will get more requests per day. Okay, so this is the difference between the thinking and non-thinking model of this 2.5 Flash. Now click on this save and click on this done, and also it supports images. So if you have any creative idea in your mind or if you found anything over the internet, then you can upload it here. Also you can ask it. Now if I write that hi, and here you see that it is currently doing the API request, and yes, hi there, how can I help you today? So this is for the RooCode. Now for the client also the same thing you have to do. Open the client and go to this settings, and here you will find this plan mode and act mode. Now for this plan and act mode, select this Google Gemini, and here you have to select this 2.5 Flash model. Click on this done, and it will be selected. So the process is same for this RooCode and client, and I think the rest process you all of you know that how to generate the code with RooCode and this client, right? And, here you see that not only this OpenAI O4 mini, this 2.5 Flash also cheaper than this Claude 3.7 Sonnet and this Grok 3 and also the DeepSeek R1. So if you are interested to do any kind of reasoning task, then my recommendation is you should think about this Gemini 2.5 Flash before other models, right? So I think that this video is helpful for you guys, and if you found helpful, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.